Hello everyone and welcome to another TikTok ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add UTM parameters in TikTok ads. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to navigate to TikTok Ads Manager, and then either when you create a campaign or for any existing campaign, you are going to go to your campaign and you are going to go to the ad level. Once you go to the ad level, for existing campaigns here, we are going to select edit. When you create a campaign, you are going to reach this screen here where you are going to create your ads. And under the ad details here, once the page loads, we are going to scroll a little bit down and we are going to find destination URL. Under destination URL here, you are going to see this edit button. So you are going to click this edit button. This screen will open. It will say edit URL parameters. And the easiest way to add UTM tags in TikTok ads is to just click auto attach here. So you are going to enable auto attach, and then TikTok is going to fill in the campaign source and campaign medium. You can also change that. You can change the source and the medium. You can select any automatic parameters like campaign ID, campaign name, campaign content if you want. And that's it. That's how you can add UTM tags in TikTok ads. Now, ideally, my recommendation is for you to enable auto attach and to keep the campaign source and the campaign medium as TikTok and paid, because this will help your Google Analytics to identify where the traffic is coming from, and you will be able to go in Google Analytics and find your TikTok ads traffic. Then you hit apply, and that's all. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.